Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today I'm going to be trying out some of the new Juvia's Place eyebrow products. They released 3 new brow products and I have them here in front of me. I believe I picked up the same shade and everything. They did release a brow gel and I got the lightest shade. Actually, no, there's a clear shade in the brow gel, but then I got the lightest of the actual pigmented shades, which is called medium brown. And then they released a brow pen. And then finally, they released like a slim, precision brow pencil. We're gonna be trying these out today. I'm gonna do a little bit of a wear test for you guys, just because I know how important it is for our brow products to last all day long. I think I'd rather have my brows be on all day than my foundation last all day. Let me know what you think about that. But today is going to be all about trying these 3 products out. Now I will insert some swatches of these 3 brow products, comparing them to other brow products that I have and love currently in my stash. And then I will be wear testing this, not today when I'm filming it, but I'll be wear testing it tomorrow when I'm really gonna be able to put it to the test. I'm even gonna wear it during my workout, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I do wanna note that neither of these products claim to be like sweat resistant or waterproof or water resistant, anything like that. They do say that they are going to be long wearing and help to mimic the look of natural brow hairs. So we'll see about that. Now, all of these products I picked up directly from the Ulta Beauty website. Now, there was one more product that was released and I'll put it right here. It is a brow powder quad. I didn't pick that up. I don't remember if I saw it at Ulta. Maybe I just missed it, but I know all 4 products are available right now on the Juvia's Place website. So definitely if you're interested in anything and maybe you can't order from Ulta, but you can order from Juvia's, then head on over there and check these out if they interest you. But they all range from $12 to $14, at least the 3 products that I'm going to be trying for you today. The most expensive thing is the brow pen and it retails for 14 bucks. So let's get started with today's video. If you guys want to see the new Juvia's Place brow products in action, keep on watching. All right, so let's start doing some brows. If you're wondering why my eyelids are red, it was because of the eyeshadow that I was wearing earlier today. I want to start first with the brow gel. And this one is called Sculpt Eye Shade Brow Gel in the shade Medium Brown. And that's what the little wand looks like. All right, let's start brushing this. Now this is the good brow. This is my best brow. It has the most hairs on it. And I'm not dipping back in. You can see right there, you can kind of see the shade there. But I'm just using what came off of the wand. These hairs on this brow, they don't usually stand up. Now we're gonna go in with the Sculpt Eye Shade Brow Pencil. And these are the typical steps that I do when I'm applying my brows. That's what the little tip looks like. Let me just do a little bit back here on my hand so we can just swatch it. So that looks like it might be a pretty decent shade. So what I do is I just kind of map out the brow along the bottom. Now remember, brows are supposed to be sisters and not twins. So, I mean, I try to get mine to look pretty identical, but I know I don't succeed all the time, and that's okay. Kind of just defining everything. This feels a little tough. like a little too waxy. I definitely need to go in with a spoolie. So I have my Wet n Wild, what is this called? The Browsessive Brow Pencil. So I'm gonna use the spoolie on that. And you know why I think it's kind of a little tough? It's that gel. This gel seems to be holding pretty well. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the brow pen. I'm just gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. So that is also in the shade medium brown, but that looks a little on the red side to me. Now on the Ulta Beauty website, it says that this is a brush tip applicator, and I can see that, but then it also mentions the words felt tip. So in looking at it really closely, it is a brush tip. It is not a felt tip. Okay, so if you're wondering about that, I can definitely see the brush hairs right there. So let me start drawing in these little hair-like strokes. So I think it's working just fine. I'm gonna go back in with the spoolie over here. That gel is really like, even brushing through my brows with the spoolie, like it's a pretty tough gel. I think it has more staying power than that NYX brow glue. And I do enjoy using that one, but I can really tell the difference between this one and that one. So this is the easy brow to do, at least for me, because it has the most hairs on it. I like that. I'm just gonna go back in with the pencil right out here. All right, so what do we think about this brow? I think it looks, you know, like I wanted it to look, like I was expecting it to look. So first impressions, the brow gel, I think is definitely pretty good. I think this is the standout product of the three. I do like the pencil and I do like the pen. No problems there. I think the color is just fine. This is, you know, the shade that I typically use in other brow products. So I'm gonna jump over to the left brow. This is really gonna be the test because this is a more sparse brow. So we'll see how these products are going to do. Guys, look, there is a spoolie. There's a spoolie on the pencil. I don't know why I didn't think to check. It didn't look like it popped off, but okay. Thank goodness there's a spoolie in one of these products. All right, so here are the Juvia's Place brows. What do you guys think? They're sisters, they're not twins, and that's okay. I always think that this brow comes out a little bit fuller than this brow, which naturally so because it definitely has more hair, but I like the end result. I think they look pretty decent, and I will see tomorrow how these wear during my workout and then just how they hold up all day in general. I'm really hoping that, and I am going to do this a little bit different. Tomorrow, I'm going to just start first with the brow pencil. Then I'm going to go in with the brow pen, and then I'm going to do the gel afterwards. And I'm going to see if that makes a difference on the ease of application with the pencil, because I definitely feel this was a little bit tough to drag across the brow. It just felt like some resistance there, and I'm hoping it's just because I applied the gel first, and I know not everybody goes in that order. You can do it however you want to, guys, however it works for you, but that's just been a way that I've been trying to do my brows. One of y'all recommended that technique to me a few months back, so I've been trying it and I've been liking it. So you definitely can, and I guess I will. I'll do that right now. I'm gonna go in with some more of the gel. This feels like, I mean, it's really gonna hold up. And I mean, there's not much to hold on my little brow hairs, but I think definitely if you have a more bushy brow, this might be something that you really enjoy. But we'll find out tomorrow. I'll make the final decision tomorrow after the wear test. It'll be at least a good 10-hour wear test, and we'll see. We'll see how the brows are holding up. Good morning, guys. I am fixing to go start my workout, but I wanted to show you the brows really quick. We're gonna see if these can withstand the sweat, the humidity, all of that stuff. They don't say that they're sweat proof, humidity proof, waterproof, so on and so forth, but this is definitely something that we need to find out, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so I just finished my workout and I think the brows held up. I definitely sweat a lot right here, especially like on my forehead and then down here on my neck. But I think they're pretty good, and I don't have like any foundation or concealer on underneath. Usually that will help to, I guess, grip the brow products a little bit better, but I think they held up just fine. No complaints. I am going to reapply. Actually, I'm going to do a full face of makeup because I am testing out the new ABH concealer. So I'll be reapplying the brows, and I'll be back at the end of the day to give you my final thoughts and just a final look at these brows 10, maybe 12 hours later. All right, guys, this is the 10-hour check-in of this 2-day wear test with the new Juvia's Place brow products. I will say I did enjoy using these products. Obviously, I forgot to film my check-in. That never happens. That never happens. I was filming 2 videos today, so it just completely slipped my mind that I had to finish or film this finishing segment. But at least you get a voiceover, and at least you get to see what the brows look like after 10 hours of wear. My favorite product, I think, was the pen and the gel. Both of those products I found to be really easy to use. If you need a good brow gel that's going to hold up those brow hairs, I definitely think this is going to be something you want to check out. I also enjoyed using the brow pen. It was easy to create those hair-like strokes with it, and I'm definitely going to be reaching for this, and I have reached for it time and time again. And the product that I liked least was the slim brow pencil. I felt it was just a little too tough, a little too waxy, and I definitely have others from the drugstore that I do enjoy more, like the NYX and the one from Milani. Those are really good. Same size, that slim precision pencil. I feel like if you're going to get any products, I would definitely try out the gel and the pen. The only product that I didn't pick up was the brow quad. It was the powder brow quad, and I just didn't get that because I was not going to be able to use all 4 shades that were in there. I bought all of my products, all 3, from Ulta Beauty online. I am not entirely sure if the powder is on there. I know it's on the Juvia's Place website, but not 100% sure if I saw it, if I remember seeing it on the Ulta Beauty website. But the products that I used today will be linked in the description box of this video in case you want to check them out. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Have you tried out these Juvia's Place products? What did you think? Did you even know they came out with brow products? I was excited to try it. I'm a fan of Juvia's Place, and I'm always down for trying something new that's going to make applying my brows every day that much more quick and easy. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink that water, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.